In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, head straight to Settings, which you'll find in the sidebar. From there, go to Product Settings, then open Payments and select Payment Methods. This path takes you to the central place where you manage which payment options your customers can use at checkout. On the Payment Methods page, scroll until you see the section labeled Wallets. This is where Stripe groups popular digital wallets so you can manage them in one place. Find Google Pay and turn it on using the toggle. When the toggle is enabled, Stripe immediately allows Google Pay as an option wherever your integration supports wallets, if your account is set up with both test and live modes. Remember that enabling a method in test mode doesn't automatically enable it in live mode. And vice versa, so double-check the mode selector at the top of your dashboard. If you are using Stripe Checkout, you are usually good to go at this point. Checkout handles the underlying wallet configuration for you. However, if you are not using Stripe Checkout, meaning you have a custom integration, you must register your website domain in the Google Pay console before it will work. In live mode, this step tells Google that your live site is authorized to present the Google Pay button. Register your production domain exactly as it appears to customers. Make sure your site is served over HTTPS. And allow a little time for the verification to propagate. If you skip this, you may see Google Pay not appearing in live mode even though it works in test mode. A quick tip for testing. Use a supported browser like Chrome. Confirm you are in the correct Stripe mode. And look for the Google Pay button on your payment page. Availability can depend on the customer's device, region, and the cards saved to their Google account. If you don't see the button right away, clear cache or try an incognito window to avoid cached settings. Also note that only eligible card networks and countries are supported, so results can vary based on your account configuration. Once Google Pay is enabled and if needed, your domain is verified, your customers will see a fast, secure payment option that can help reduce friction at checkout. That's all there is to it. Turn on Google Pay in wallets, and, for custom integrations, register your domain so it works properly in live mode. Thanks for watching.